Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the stunning G87 BMW M2 paired with the new Zero kit, an exciting combination that's turning heads in the performance car world. Whether you're a seasoned BMW enthusiast or just love precision-engineered machines, this is one setup you'll want to stick around for. Let's start with the exterior. The G87 M2 already brings aggressive styling right from the factory, but the new Zero kit takes things to an entirely new level. Up front, you're greeted with a reimagined front bumper design that enhances airflow and gives the car a more muscular, race-inspired stance. Wider fenders accentuate the M2's squat profile, and the side skirts flow perfectly into the rear, where a dramatic diffuser and optionally included carbon fiber wing elevate the car's presence. The kit materials are high-grade, with excellent fit and finish, giving the whole car a factory-plus aesthetic that feels premium and cohesive. The new Zero kit manages to keep the car's proportions tight and bold, without overdoing it, a tricky balance that's been executed with skill. Inside, the M2 maintains its familiar sporty cockpit, focused around the driver. You get the BMW curved display that seamlessly merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into one unit, high-quality M Sport seats with excellent bolstering, and subtle carbon trim that reminds you this is a serious machine. While the interior design hasn't changed dramatically with the kit, it doesn't need to. Everything is ergonomically sound and built to keep you engaged with the drive. When it comes to performance, the G87 M2 is an absolute beast. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine producing 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, this car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds. What really sets it apart, though, is how it handles. Rear-wheel drive, perfect weight distribution, and a stiffened chassis deliver razor-sharp control and a playful attitude. The new Zero kit, while mostly aesthetic, also includes functional aerodynamic enhancements that slightly improve downforce and stability at high speeds, which adds to the performance feel, especially on twisty backroads or track days. Safety-wise, BMW has packed the G87 M2 with a solid range of modern driver assistance features. You get forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, among others. While this is a car built with enthusiasts in mind, it's still fully capable of being a safe and practical daily driver when you need it to be. What really makes the G87 M2 with the new Zero kit stand out is how it marries raw performance with head-turning style. It's a unique blend of classic BMW motorsport DNA and contemporary tuning aesthetics. Unlike many body kits that feel tacked on, the new Zero kit feels like it belongs, enhancing the M2's natural aggression and elevating its presence without compromising its essence. As for pricing, the base G87 M2 starts around $63,000 USD, depending on your region and options. The new Zero kit varies based on components and materials, but you're generally looking at an additional $10,000 to $15,000 depending on installation and customizations. It's a premium investment, but for those wanting exclusivity and standout styling, it delivers real value. So, to wrap things up, the G87 M2 combined with the new Zero kit is more than just a fast coupe. It's a statement. You get the bulletproof performance and engineering of a modern BMW M car, enhanced with bold, custom styling that sets you apart from the crowd. Whether you're hitting the track or just want to turn every drive into an event, this setup offers one of the most complete enthusiast experiences on the market today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below.